In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Paramount Plus subscription on Roku. Step 1. Go to the Roku home screen. Press the home button on your Roku remote to reach the main screen. Step 2. Highlight Paramount Plus channel. Use the arrow keys to select the Paramount Plus channel, but do not open it. Because Step 3. Open the channel options. Press the asterisk button on your remote to open the options menu. Step 4. Manage subscription. Select Manage subscription from the menu options. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Choose Cancel subscription and confirm your cancellation on the following prompts. Step 6. You can also cancel via the Roku website. Log into my.roku.com on a web browser. Navigate to Manage your subscriptions in the account settings. Then find Paramount Plus and click Unsubscribe to cancel. Step 7. Verify your cancellation. You will continue to have access until the end of your billing period. Make sure to check for email confirmations on your cancellation. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Canceling removes recurring charges but does not delete the app from your Roku device. So if you want to delete the app, then you have to do that separately. If you subscribe through another platform, for example Apple or Amazon, you will need to cancel through them. Keep confirmation emails for your records and support. And that is how you cancel your Paramount Plus subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.